Alright, I got my Craftsman 10-inch table saw here. I've got all my tools ready to go. The lumber. My first saw. I'm gonna build a boat launch out the backyard. Basically be able to back it in right there and launch it right out the backyard. Yep. Pretty tricked out little saw. Can adjust all my angles, oscillates, so I can get any angles in the wood. Pretty killer. Can also adjust the tilt here. Boom. Alright, my first couple cuts were a success. Pretty sketchy piece of machinery though. So just so you know, I have plans. This is what we're going for. We're building the back and front framing, and this is a side view of the boat launch. Basically to load the boat in from this side. I'm going to attach some wheels later, slide it on down and into the water. So let's see how it turns out. Again, my measurements are a little off, but I figured it out. Alright, here's the back piece. Back. So I'll show you how this is going to go.
This is going to be the support for the entire launch.
Back piece. Right. Yeah. Better. We just have some 2-inch wood screws. Exterior wood. 7x2 inch. And a simple drill. That's all you need. I also want to be able to make this thing detachable, because I don't think that I'm allowed to build out by the water, and I'm sure there's a lot of laws. So this is going to go on to the main support, and then this is going to go on my 12 footers, and basically it's going to slide in like that, lock into place, and then I'll be able to just remove them. Just a little thing that came to my mind. Just in case you're wondering what kind of tie I'm using, this is a Simpson strong tie, 4-inch. There's 2 different sides. You can see they're opposite of each other. That's how they go on. I glued it as well, but I'm not clamping it because these ties are pretty solid. Anyway, Simpson ties, 2 different sides, so you can straddle the wood. Notice these are 3.5 by 3.5, not 4x4. So I needed to go about 12 inches is the size of the cement, plus 3.5 plus 3.5. 7 plus 12, so that's 19 inches. So I had to adjust my 20s to 19. So that looks like it's going to be good. Always check your wood, even though the freaking Barney said it was a 4x4. Or maybe I'm not savvy and a 4x4 is actually 3.5 by 3.5. I'm not a wood guy. Go. Beginning stages. there's the basic structure. Slide it on in. Still got to attach the wheels. So basically, you can see that I made this so it's removable. That way I can take it apart, not get any fines. But yeah, that's basically it. Kayak / boat launch. Do it yourself.
Just gonna attach the wheels, and I'll be ready to launch. Probably taper off the ends of these.
All right, the final pieces here. I did not want these wheels. These are not the right kind of wheels. I wanted plastic wheels, all plastic, no metal. If you live in Hawaii or anywhere by the ocean, these will probably last me about, I don't know, a couple months. The weather will deteriorate these things. Anything that's not military grade steel will rust and deteriorate, unfortunately. Same with this. Again, I wanted a plastic pulley, but they didn't have any at the store I was at. So we'll see how long this stuff lasts. The good thing is it's detachable the way I'm making it. So, you know, with the arms coming off, I'll be able to store it, which will hopefully prolong the life of all this stuff, because I'll store it in a semi-dry place while I'm not using it or launching. I got some clear gloss just to prolong the wood. Again, this thing's not going to last forever with this weather out here, but at least I'll get some more longevity out of it. Everything deteriorates. I got this pulley system, which I'm going to attach this to this carabiner, attach the pulley to the carabiner on a post to be able to lower the kayak in when I'm by myself. So check back. Again, these are not the right wheels. I wanted to put plastic wheels on the inside, showing only about halfway up, but that's all I had. See how long they last. Alright, so I needed to create some stability. As you can see, this thing rocks. Even with the U-bolt in there, or the long bolt, it still rocks. So what I did was took some sectional furniture connectors. You just go in like that, just to create some stability so this thing doesn't rock. Again, sectional furniture, you can get them on Amazon. A couple 2x4s, just to create that extra stability. I'll put one down here as well. Alright, this is what I did with the post. Simple little bracket, carabiner, pulley. There it is. Do-it-yourself boat launch. Just drop her right on in. Hopefully it'll make it easier for me to launch by myself. You can see I just attached a little hook right there with a good old-fashioned gnat. Uni knot. Learn the uni knot.